Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can set a password on a USB drive. So first of all you need to right click on the USB drive and press turn on BitLocker. And wait a while to load the BitLocker. You can use a password to unlock the drive, so select this and just type in any password you remember and then retype it. Select next. You can save the security file, so in case you lose your password or you forget your password, you can recover it with this file. Just save it anywhere you'd like. Just keep it download and save. Click next. So if you want to encrypt the used disk space only or encrypt the entire drive, so I'm going to select encrypt used disk space only. It's going to take less time, and click next. Now leave it as compatible mode and click next and start encrypting. So encryption takes depends on your file size. It shouldn't take long, as I've selected a small file. Once this encryption is complete, your USB drive will be locked. So every time you plug into a new computer, you're gonna have to put a password in to access the files in it. Close. Now it's password protected. You just need to unplug the USB drive and plug it back on again. Now as you can see, USB drive is shows locked. So if you double click on it, it's gonna ask for the password. So I'm putting the password in and click unlock. The USB drive has been unlocked and you can access the files. Now if you want to remove the password on the USB, just right click on it and select manage BitLocker, and then just turn off BitLocker and click turn off. It will take a little time to decrypt it. So once it's on 100%, the USB will be unlocked. There you go. The USB drive is unlocked and we have removed the BitLocker. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.